All right, day 8 is done. Today was mostly, well, pretty much all just about putting the steps in. These steps are coming out of this back door, 5 feet out, and then coming down. These bottom bricks will mostly be covered when they put the pavers in, so they're kind of making sure all that still works. But they spent the whole day getting the base in, getting the blocks in, filling the middle with the rocks. I'm not exactly sure the plan on the middle, if it's going to be the caps or if they're going to have paver pieces. I don't really know how it's all coming together right there. One thing I learned is that there's no house wrap on my house, but thankfully the old flashing on the deck that used to be here did protect everything. So we put new flashing in right here just to cover up where it was. It really came out far because I wasn't sure how far they were doing. I just replaced the old one, but there was no house wrap, but all the wood is still in really good shape all the way around the house. So that's nice because you just never really know what was going to happen when you open it up. But that's where the old deck was. So there is the flashing. So this is all going to become the paver patio like we've talked about in the other videos, and then the top of it is all done. But we've got a big storm coming tonight, so we're going to see how the mulch holds up on the hill, and we'll see if they show up tomorrow. They might be able to work just on this area if it is kind of muddy back here. I don't know. It's not my job to figure that out. They've been working out here pretty hard anyways for the last 2 weeks. One real rain day. It's definitely cooled off. It was hot today, but now it's really cooled off. But here's the steps. And then I'm going to do the handrails with iron and cable, I believe, is what the current plan is. But we're slowly getting our way around. There's some pavers, or some caps, and then all of the stuff. And slowly, this will be where the hot tub goes. But that's the end of day 8, I believe. So watering the plants before they left. They've done a really good job of, at the end of the day, just kind of cleaning everything up. It's been really impressive how they make everything nice and neat at the end of the day. So, and I've been supplying them with Gatorades. You know, you got to be nice to the workers. So they've got Gatorades every day. But we will see y'all tomorrow.